Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if you're having the error that says slow down, you're editing too fast on TikTok. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first way that you can try to do, or the first method that you can try to do, is to simply wait for a while. So the simplest solution is to be patient and wait until the temporary restriction is lifted. So TikTok imposes these restrictions to ensure a fair and spam-free environment. So taking a break from excessive engagement or editing will allow your account to regain standard functionality. So why not just go to your Instagram or Twitter or whatever social media that you want to use while you wait. So the next one after you've done this one is to clear the TikTok apps cache. So to do this, just head into your device's settings app. Then after that, just scroll down until you see the apps. So just simply tap and then tap manage apps. And then here, just scroll down or just simply type in TikTok in the search bar. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see the TikTok. Like so here's a TikTok. I'm going to tap on it, and then after doing so, just head into the storage section, and then here just tap into the cache right here, or tap into the clear data rather on the very bottom part of your screen, and then simply tap the clear cache button and hit the enter button. So after you've done that, the problem should be fixed. But if the problem still persists, what you can do lastly is to simply uninstall and reinstall TikTok. So if clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok app. So this process ensures that you have the latest app version and removes any corrupted files causing the mistake message. So to do that, just long press into your TikTok app, then tap the uninstall button, and after successfully installing it, head into your Play Store, simply search for TikTok, and then hit the install button. And then wait for the TikTok to be completely reinstalled in your device. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the problem in TikTok. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.